Hey friends, welcome back to Flavortown channel. Today, we're making the fluffiest, chewiest steamed rice cakes you've ever tasted. And this time, we have a secret, a molten chocolate center. Let's get started. The key to a light, spongy texture is the rise. Start by proofing 1 teaspoon of yeast in 1/2 cup of warm water with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it gets nice and forty. In a large bowl, whisk together 500 grams of non-glutinous rice flour. Now add 200 grams of sugar along with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. Mix everything together. Then, pour in your activated yeast. Now we are going to add 450 milliliters of rich, creamy coconut milk. Add coconut milk gradually. Mix until that batter is silky smooth. This is the texture we require. Then cover your bowl and let the batter ferment in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours. You're looking for it to practically double in size and be full of big, beautiful air bubbles. I'm using these cups to make our delicious rice cake. Lightly grease your steaming cups with a little vegetable oil. Bring your steamer pot water to a rolling boil. This is what gives it that iconic honeycomb texture. Give the right-hand batter a gentle stir to release some air. Fill each cup about halfway. Add 200 grams of chocolate. Let's chop them. I'm using milk chocolates and dark chocolate for a nice contrast. Then drop in your chocolate pieces. Top with a little more batter until the cups are about 3/4 full. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Carefully place the cups inside and cover. Steam for 20 to 25 minutes on medium-high heat. Remember, don't lift the lid too early. It needs that uninterrupted steam. Look how beautiful they are. They're perfectly puffed up and springy. Let them cool a minute before removing them. And there you have it, a warm, spongy, and deliciously sweet rice cake with a surprise center. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Asian desserts. What should I stuff next time? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.